The SENG SAMLA MAWLAI MAWROH, with the support of the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, had organized an awareness program on the causes, symptoms, treatment and prevention from the dreaded HIV/AIDS disease that has affected many all over the world. The program was attended by officials of the society, members of the DORBAR SHNONG and SENG SAMLA MAWLAI MAWROH, residents and other invitees. Speaking at the function, the program officer of the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, Jo M. Lanong, informed that the state of Meghalaya has around 5,000 HIV/AIDS cases, out of which 1,500 are from East Khasi Hills alone. It is embarrassing to say that Meghalaya stands at the top as far as the number of cases is concerned, Lanong lamented. He therefore encouraged people suffering from sexually transmitted diseases to come forward and get themselves tested for HIV/AIDS so that timely treatment can be given to those in whom the disease is detected. He added that there are integrated counseling and testing centers across the state where, out of their own free will or as advised by a medical practitioner, members of the public can be counseled and tested for the disease. Lanong also informed that the centers conduct HIV diagnostic tests while at the same time maintaining anonymity of individuals. The ICTCs also provide basic information on the modes of HIV transmission and promote behavioral change to reduce vulnerability and also link people with other HIV prevention, care and treatment services.
Hani ha jila jungi ha po Meghalaya dai Laitili ki district komot ki East Khasi Hills ki East Barkubazant Hills la roi la parwa sithi namar la ki kumbaman la sngi kin ki case kin don bet kin don be ki case kumna shri po East Khasi Hills ni la don de ki khasan spa tamne yara kumba khasan spa tam ki balawan register kita ke balawan shikmat ban sim do ART mo ka jui kum po East Barkubazant Hills temot la dangi khenpat ngin khenpat hab Meghalaya pro ko nei nila don kumba san hajar ngut tam ki brio ki ba imbab nuk nyang HIV tigi bempat wan pat shikmat ki dang bon ki bempat wan pat shikmat ki dang bon ba sekwer ko ban hakal yang ke sexually transmitted infection kalong ko baskul eran tho ban ythuru nomor bakh Meghalaya ka dai number 1 hari India bro koi hakjing pang STI te takadaw kum kini ki jai program ni le be ban snokti ba kini kinu ki sengru bangin bangwan shma ban wan ai kini ki awareness number pin tip shpangani ke HIV ba pin tip kum no bifin yada da yala di dei tang yala di rubat la de pi yada yala di tu ma phila yada ya ki bahing basam ki para marjan ki ba pi salang ki ba pi yela mo tes ko werung kawan ban te zakan ma bi tik tang ki tu hi ki saw ki sur kurukom bukum no brio lani ka brio ki labnyo ni kne HIV kan mawi ki tu ki lat jingera skawer ngo kawan ban shwabangan put ko dikne program da ngaso thui ba kan ka program kalin ko than namar bang nga su pila ko na ban hiar sumadan ban ile ka no nganom penjrong su inang ni tala da phidang kwa chu ban tip phang ni kne HIV ni phila ban phone number I way not kan dainyo today toll free number hangta ka call center nang thin support del hing ladon di bakran khasiru bodi bala ban patai pi chupang ka HIV borok khoj pang HIV ci laban batai tamo lan ne tade borok khoj ingi laban kam ka smartphone ru ti philaban download ka app ru bala National AIDS Control Organization kare ka nako AIDS app na po Google Play Store philabin download ka hang taru phinyo lu ka yiki information ka chupang HIV bat ka AIDS mo.
Speaking to media persons, program officer of the society Yadaphiralang Yuria educated the public on the prevention against HIV/AIDS and other sexually transmitted diseases. She informed that there are several ways to prevent the spread of these diseases, some of which are the use of separate syringes for injections, the use of protected sex, the use of blood from licensed blood banks during transfusion, and also proper and complete course of treatment by an affected mother even after giving birth to her child. While encouraging people to come forward for tests, Yadaphiralang Yuria informed that there are many detected cases who do not continue their treatment due to embarrassment resulting out of stigmatization in society.
penan kam do kondom si kadang kata hi kasong man but ko baaru long kini bayo na ki ba dung ki inject ki gede ban penan kam do jong syringe ta kabalai ki Shillong du bat kini gede ban bat sta ban di dawai lekin sim ko jing sumar ka ba paka long bakin di bahar dawai na du bakidang arnan adu bakin yo Shillong bat ko ba sa na ka ba sim bayo snam na ki license bat lagi
TPE nak ikut tahu thai ke pelong ni beriu le se dang bun ke bomban nak le e ni ketes
kabani
le
tong
se kaduna ka awareness ni
man ong ka duna ka awareness kan nung ong ka ta na ba ki awareness program ki ba bun ba la ya kan dak ba ong ba kong san e kadi ka self stigma ki kani self stigma ti kadi ka wi na mabangi iba ki dan ki beriu ki bala register ya di hakini ki treatment center kan tambah kawai pat yaki ka penlong bakimban syu syaka treatment ning wala kitip baki dan yang tambah kimban syakmat syaka treatment maki dan ka jing so daerah ya ladi mo ade kata hi ko ka ba baki beri kimban syaka treatment de si ki namar ba kumbang i baka jing ya kani ka jing dan jong ka HIV kam kata bot ya ka met ka khat ni kolong suki tambah bun sin hi ni iba bakin bun hi iba dan tidak kisah kan kalau
ting